In this lecture, we are going to learn about strings. So I'm going to create a new project. Go to File, New Project, and here we are supposed to give the name to the project. I am giving the name My Strings. Click on Create, and if you want to create new window, you can click on New Window. I have clicked on this window only. Now it will take some time because it's creating virtual environment. Different libraries are being loaded, so because this is the new project, it's going to take some time. So as you know, a string is nothing else but it's a group of characters, and Python has got a very rich library of string functions whereby we can manipulate with the strings. I will be covering this topic in at least 2 lectures. In this lecture I will be talking about some very basic string functions. Okay, so now right click on the project My Strings, and as usual go to New and choose this Python file. Okay, click on this. So we are going to give name to our Python program, so I am going to give it the name string1. Okay, click on OK. Py extension will be automatically suffixed. Now I am going to take a string variable, name is equal to Anand Mahajan. It has been assigned the value Anand Mahajan. The name of the string variable is name. So this is your, now I am going to give the comment using the hash symbol. The characters of a string are indexed in such a way that the first character is at index 0, right, and second at index 1, and so on and so on. Because there were multiple line comments, each line has been suffixed with hash symbol. It has been preceded with hash symbol, so all these 3 lines, they were taken as comments. So when I would write print name square bracket 0, it will give me the very first character, which is A. Go to run. Okay, run this program, choose string1. Click on this. Yes, A. Why? Because we have printed name 0. So 0 index number is of the character A. Now I would write name within square bracket 4. So it will give me the 5th character. Why 5th? Because index starts from 0. So I will click on this, run the program. It's giving D because D is at index number 4, which is in fact the position number 5. Okay, now you can use a range also. When I would write suppose 1:4, what does it mean? It means the substring starting from the index 1 till the index 4 minus 1, in this case that will be 3, that will be printed. Click on run. So it should be NAN, right, because we started from index 1, that is N, and we went till N. This substring was printed. Why? Because when I mentioned the range as 1:4, that means from 1 to 3, index number 3. Okay, so next I am going to talk about a very simple function which is called len. Len function returns, that is gives the length of a string. Now what is the length of a string? Length of a string means the total number of characters in a string. So print, I am going to write len, and as an argument I will supply the name of the variable, which is name. Click on run. Yeah, choose this. Okay, so let me run string1, and the answer is 13. Why 13? Because the total number of characters in the string name are 13. Always remember, space is also treated as a character, so it will also be counted. Space will also be counted. Remember it. Now I am going to talk about another simple function which is called lower. So lower function, what does it do is it converts the string into lowercase. Okay. So how to use it? I will use first print in order to print the output. Then let me write name, which is the name of our string, dot lower. Name dot lower. See the syntax using which we have used this lower. So let me execute the program. Yeah, it's Anand Mahajan. A and M were capital, but they have been converted into lowercase, and whatever letters were in lowercase, they will remain as it is. Now in the same manner, we people can use the upper function, which will do exactly the reverse. It will convert your string into uppercase. Okay, let me execute the program. Run. Okay, yeah, the whole string has been converted into uppercase. So the output is Anand Mahajan in capital letters.